Now let's see if we can get the Glock 23 with the Steves in there to go. Now it was going, as you can see from the videos, but this is our first time actually trying to mag dump it. Oh God, we already starting off bad. We already starting off bad. Hold on. What the fuck? Okay, I got through a whole round without jamming, well, a whole magazine without jamming, but this motherfucker ain't running how it's supposed to for sure, bro. It might be the magazine, it might not, because when I put in, you know, the OEM magazine, it worked perfectly fine. As soon as you added this into the mix, it started getting a little iffy. So we're gonna change the magazine and see if it does anything.